So hi guys, welcome to Edutex, and today I'm going to show you how you can optimize your AdWords campaign. So there are many methods for optimizing your AdWords campaign, and this is one of the most important method that you need to do on a daily basis to make your website campaign optimized. So this is going to give you, if you do it a regular basis, this is going to give you at least 60 or 70% higher conversion rate and decrease in cost and all these things. So let me first start on how you need to optimize this campaign. So we are going to do here search query and research, or search term analysis. So search term analysis is nothing but when you go and search for something like yacht rental Dubai, you're going to see a lot of advertisements here. So how you are going to get to know that what the customer is searching for? Keywords are different and search term is different actually. So the search term is something like what the customer searches and your ads are shown. So, for example, this company named Cosmo Yachts Dubai will have in their dashboard that someone has searched for yacht rental Dubai, and they have seen that particular customer, that is me, have seen one ad. So that's what you call a search term. So, for example, if I'm searching for yacht license in Dubai, see, I can see here Cosmo Yacht, the same thing, because this particular Cosmo Yachts is actually a yacht rental company, but still they are showing their advertisements for something like yacht license. So that is an irrelevant term. So there is a lot of irrelevant term that comes for your ad particular advertisements and that you're doing, and for each click you're going to lose the money. So see, it happens, but you need to control it. So doing a search term analysis daily basis, you're going to save a lot of money. So how you should do that? Now, for example, this is my AdWords dashboard. I go to the campaign, and you can see one of my search term. This is actually discovery ad. This is my search ads. Just go to the campaign and click on the date. See, the last optimization that I have done was on August 1st, and after that I have not been doing that optimization for the last 2 or 3 days. So I just took the interval from 2nd to 4th and click on apply, and then I go to keywords, and then I go to search terms. Okay, so I have already put the filter. Let me just. Okay, fine. So you can see that for the particular search term yacht rental Dubai, I have seen around 117 people have seen my advertisements and 15 people had clicked. And also you can see that this keyword which has triggered this particular search term is the keyword exact match keyword yacht rental Dubai itself. But after the Google's new algorithm update for AdWords, that even if the search keyword is exact, the real relevant, very related keyword search term will also be shown. So you can find that how important is the exact match keywords for your business. I mean, for your AdWords account. So the also the Google algorithm works in a way that it gives a more prominence to exact match keywords. See, for example, you can see here rent a yacht in Dubai, which is entirely different from the exact, entirely different in the sense it's not the exact same term, but still our ads are shown and we also have a good amount of conversion, which is for one conversion we got for 1.7 to 80. So that's how important is the exact match keyword. So your main motto in search query research or search term analysis is adding relevant term as a exact match keywords and removing irrelevant terms. So what you have to do is I have already added some of the keywords. I don't want to make changes to again that. So just click on added and excluded. If you have not done this activity, there is no point in making the filter here. Just click on add filter on added and excluded, and added and bar excluded and none. So I need the terms which I haven't taken any action. Okay, so now I'm going to download this particular sheet. I mean, sorry, the search term, which is after putting the filter. I click on Google Sheet. It's up to you. You can go on and click on Excel sheet or anything. I have already kept these. search term here. I have already downloaded and added this. So the report will be like this. It shows what keywords are being used and what is the particular search term that triggers this. So I'm not going to keep a lot of data about this conversion rate, everything. Instead, what I would do is actually I will keep two tabs here, and which is exact, that is positive, or I'll tell terms which is relevant terms, and this is negative. That is like the one which is not useful for us. See, as you can see, there are a lot of. Let me check how much. For 3 days, I have got around 42 search terms here, which is I have not taken any action. So now I can see Yacht Coast Dubai, which is negative for us because the customer might be searching for not yacht rental. Instead, he wants to buy a yacht. So yacht for 20 guests, which is actually relevant. I have a yacht which is having 20 guests. Rent a yacht. I added this. Mona Lisa about Dubai, which is a different company, which I don't want to add. I get that. Cruise rate Dubai per day. I don't think this is a relevant neither, so I don't want to take any decision for this. Dubai boat tour marina, which is relevant for me. I add it as Dubai yacht. Sorry, this should be here. Dubai yacht, which I will not add as a negative also. Self drive boat. This is a negative, which I don't want. Yacht rental Dubai deals. Yes, we are providing good offers in Dubai wheel. Okay, this is a negative term. Small yacht rental Dubai. Yes, we do have small yacht rental. Mega yacht Dubai, which I will not take any action. Top 8 yachts Dubai. It's a company name, which I don't want to show in my account for sure. Yachts in Dubai. No, let's do a negative. 12 people yacht on rent in Dubai. Correct. This is it. The cross. Okay, this is not yard booking. I will take not take any action for that. Birthday party yard Dubai. Yes, we do provide birthday party. Campus Marina for yacht rental, which I don't know which company is that. So different company. I see that this is also not relevant. So this is how you can take the decision. I'm not going to make this thing as boring session by optimizing my campaign for you guys. So I'll just delete one. Yeah. So I've already kept these data. So now what I'm going to do is insert one left and insert one left. See, so this is now where you have to take a decision in between match type. See, so I told that these are all relevant, so I don't have any problem. I'll just do one thing. So if you have around 500 or 600 terms which is relevant and you want to add it as an exact match, you can't go each one and add as an exact match. So I'll tell you one formula that you can use. Go concatenate, concatenate this particular term. We got 420 guests. Quit that, and then again I'll just add it as so what I will do actually is just filter out. Yeah, where is the filter? Create a filter, and I don't want to show the blank. Okay. So I just click on. So the filtering is done, and I just drag and drop. There you go. So you get around, if there is, you have around 500 search term, let it be. So 500 search terms, so you can just go put this formula and just drag drop down, and you are going to get this exact match keyword. So that's it. So just control C, you have all the terms. and just go to your campaign, click on keywords, click on ad. This is my ad group, and I just add this. So rent a year Dubai, Dubai boat tour, Marina yacht rental, Dubai deal, small yacht rental. Yeah, always cross verify your keywords, because if you are entering a lot of keywords, that there is a higher chance that you make a mistake. No, fine. So I guess every I have finished adding all the exact time keywords. So now it's time for the negative keywords. See, negative keywords, I won't recommend you taking these formulas, because see, for example, I can see that Dubai yard coast. Okay, yard coast Dubai. Yeah, of course, this is a negative keyword. Like to type it manually, because there may be lot of terms that I can just add it as a phrase match. For example, Mona Lisa boat Dubai. See, tomorrow there will be people who are searching for Mona Lisa yacht company in Dubai, or Mona Lisa company owners or something. But I don't want that to be added to my um, advert. So what I will do is just go and type Mona Lisa as a phrase match. So anything that is related to Mona Lisa doesn't come to my. No, so for example, see self drive. I have actually added already actually self drive, but I think someone has typed Drivia or something, so that's the reason. But I'd still like to add this in Dubai wheel. I don't have any term that is related to wheel in my, because so top 8 yards. I don't want top 8 yards to show in my website. That's in Dubai. So how did this come in? Yeah, yeah, it's in Dubai. I don't want to add this. Hmm. Actually, there is no problem in adding this, but still, I don't want to. Dubai Marina D Cross. So that is also irrelevant. I like to add it as an exact match. Compass Marina Yacht. Compass is a company, and I don't want Compass. Just add it as a phrase match. It's to Sanalo Rosa, but I don't know what the particular guest meant. I mean, the customer meant. So that's it. Now just click on filter, put out the blank. Okay, you have the negative keywords. Just click on Control C, go here and click on add. Sorry, not here. Just click on negative keywords, click on add, and then click on this. So you're done. Always cross verify. Yeah, then done. So doing this particular task in a daily basis, I'm pretty sure like within 10 days, your AdWords is going to be optimized. And stopping this task for the next 3 or 4 or 5 days, your AdWords is going to get collapsed also. So that's how you have to do it in a daily basis. So thanks guys. I hope you loved this particular tutorial, and we'll come with another tutorial for optimization for ads, text, and all other details soon. So thank you, and we'll see you later.